wanna know how to enable aim assist in PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first off, simply open up your PUBG Mobile game, and once you're there, on the bottom right, you can see this small arrow icon. Simply select it, and once you're there, select settings on top right here. Now, once you're there, head towards controls right here, and then select advanced controls. Now scroll down until you see assist features. So right under assist features, you should see something known as aim assist. So simply enable it if it's disabled. And that's it. Super simple and easy. Now your aim assist has been automatically enabled in PUBG Mobile. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.